Hey, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you quickly and easily how to put a brand new SD card into your GoPro. This is my GoPro 12, and we're going to show you how to format it. Only takes a second, but it's something that's essential every time you get a new SD card for your action camera. All right, so what we're going to use today, we're going to use this one here from Samsung. This is the Evo Plus. This is a 256 gig SD card. Other cards I really like are by SanDisk. They make the excellent Extreme and Extreme Pro line, and they are definitely fantastic little SD cards for your camera. So without any further ado, let's show you how to format this bad boy. Okay, so grab the 256 SD card. We're just going to open up the back of the GoPro, lift the door, and then we're going to slot in the SD card into the little slot over here. You want to make sure you got the label facing towards the battery, okay? That's a really good thing to remember. So we'll slot it in, push it in with your fingertip, like that. And then if we have a look here on the rear screen, you can see how it now has a full green bar in the top left-hand corner. And that's just showing that you've got a brand new, fully empty SD card, which is ready to go. All right, so from the rear screen of the camera, now we'll put the SD card in. You want to swipe down from the top, and then you want to swipe across to the right. And over here on the right-hand side, you can see near my fingertip where it's got preferences. So we're going to tap on preferences. Now from the screen here, if we scroll all the way down to the bottom, you're going to see one where it says reset, which is the very last option. So we're going to tap on that one. Now it's going to bring up your reset menu options. And the very first one here says format SD card. So we're going to tap on that one. Now this white screen appears, it's like a warning screen, and it just says that you will delete all files and reformat your SD card. This is something that we want to do and make sure that your SD card is all good to go, and if there's any sort of bugs or any irregularities on your SD card, we get rid of all these things before we start using our card for filming. So we're going to press this button here where it says format, and then the spiral is going to happen. You can see it spinning right now. Doesn't take too long. And that's done. We've actually totally formatted that SD card, and now we can go back to our regular screen, and she's good to go. Formatting the SD card on your GoPro is a great idea because what it does is it reduces the chance of data corruption or recording failure on your GoPro, and it makes sure that the SD card is compatible with your device, which in this case is a GoPro. To learn more about GoPros and the amazing things that they can do, what you want to do is you want to click on this video over here right now. Thank you for your company. Please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe buttons, and I'll see you in the next video.